Today, I'm testing the cheapest wood-burning tent stove Amazon has to offer. I'll unbox, assemble, and light the first fire in this stove. And we'll be cooking up a delicious mousse lunch with some local ingredients. Is this stove worth the cost, or is it just straight up junk? Stay tuned to find out. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little different from all the moose hunting you've been seeing. Just before Christmas, I picked up what is the cheapest wood stove, collapsible wood stove I could find on Amazon. I looked around for a long time for one. If you guys watched my videos before, you know I got an insulated ice fishing tent. I hope to convert into a hot tent if I go ice fishing. That way I get a bit of a heat source here. It's not the biggest thing you can get, but for a little fire to break the chill, it's going to be essential for me ice fishing this year. So this here is a Vevor 80-inch wood stove. I got this guy on Amazon for $111 before tax and all that stuff. Again, that's the cheapest I could find. I was looking at some 140, 150 range. Wasn't really sold on it. And Vevor is a brand that we've dealt with before. And this is not a sponsor. Uncle Jason's vacuum sealer is the Vevor brand. You've seen other YouTubers in Newfoundland and Labrador use those diesel heaters. They're Vevor. Great quality stuff. I'm really excited to test this guy out. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I already opened the box. I was really excited before Christmas. I wanted to have a look, just see what it looked like, but I didn't take much out of the packaging. All right, so off the jump, I think this is a carrying case. It comes with your owner's manual. I think this is a spark arrestor. It goes on top of the stove. Pretty neat. I believe this one mounts onto the stove itself. It also comes with like these here heat resistant gloves, which is pretty cool. And we got our camp stove. So it's actually all put together here, and I really like this guy. I wanted one with a glass window, and this one here actually has like a bit of a hot plate that you can like take off, and I'm assuming it gets some direct heat from that flame. And on the inside is all the stove plate. I'll show you now. Okay, cool. So here it actually looks like a bit of a damper. I didn't know it came with this. I was hoping it would, because that helps control the airflow really well. See if I can... Oh yeah. I'll give you a close-up on the zoom cam. That is your... It stops the draft. So yeah, pretty cool. I didn't know that was in there. This here side is swelled, as you can see. And the opposite side has a little crimp around the ring. So, she slides in like that there. And on Amazon, the one I seen, there was these here hose clamps that went around it on the pictures I seen, and I wasn't a big fan of that because I was thinking that there was no swelling or crimping. That was the only deterrence for me, but once I got it and I seen that wasn't the case, I'm a lot happier because of that. So, and this here is actually what I was talking about for their plate. It's right on top there. And again, that's probably your cooktop. Here is the side rails, I'm assuming. Go lock in there on that side. And on that side like that for your kettle if it's already boiled or something like that. Let's get these legs folded out. So yeah, for $100, I don't think I lost at all with this purchase. Again, there, you know, it's probably bigger ones on the market if you're doing some like overnight camping for a few nights. Like another couple of YouTubers like Chuck Porter and them do. But for what I'm using it for, this is perfect. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit of setting up here. Put the top piece on, put the draft on, and yeah, then we'll get a first burn in there. Sounds good. Alright, so we got the stove jack on, and now we'll put the draft on. Alright, and if you can see here, that's your draft. Wide open, fully closed. The damper that's on the inside of that stovepipe will serve awesome as well. Perfect. Alright, so that looks to be the full assembly. I'm assuming the drafter goes the bottom one. Man, what an awesome fit. So from there, you get the idea. But I'm absolutely impressed with this purchase. I love it, to be honest with you. It seems good quality, and I'm looking forward to using it a lot winter. One thing you'll probably notice with my channel, you know, I don't have the most money in the world, but if you can get something decent quality on the cheap, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But now sometimes you do get what you pay for, but I don't think it's in this case. And if you stay tuned for a future video, we're going to be reviewing a nice hunting scope for a gun. We're going to be shooting some long range shots and hopefully going coyote hunting. So that's a video we got coming up. Anyway, we're going to set this guy up now out in the backyard, and I think we're going to put a little moose fry on. Just a little bit of a local twist, and I'll explain to you more of that when we get out in the backyard. We should be able to start firing this. Alright, so it's working pretty good. Getting used to dialing in the like the draft and the damper and that, but it's working pretty good, I must say. You can start to see the color change a bit here, and on the stovepipe, that's good. We don't want to run too hot of a fire. I only got little pieces of scrap lumber, but get that pan on now and I cook up some moose meat. That's good. Alright, so we got some moose steaks in the pan, and to season them up today, we're going to use some Poppy Ray's. This is all-purpose salt-free seasoning, and this is Newfoundland made. I tried a little bit of it, absolutely love it. So Scott Martin and Daryl and Poppy Ray, whoever else was involved in this process, thanks for the free sample, and I bet it's going to be delicious. And the surprise ingredient, the local surprise ingredient, is some local honey from my friend John Campbell. He has a beehive here in Deer Lake. So we're gonna get a scoop. It's kind of a little hard, but it'll warm right up over that moose meat now. Alright y'all, well, here is the finished product. We got some Poppy Ray's seasoning and some local honey and a little bit of garlic, and I bet it's going to be delicious. That honey with that Poppy Ray seasoning. Well guys, that does it for another video. Sun's setting on me here now, and I'm enjoying this delicious mousse. Wow. So I'm really looking forward to using this guy later in the winter and converting that ice fishing tent to a hot tent. So guys, thanks for watching this video. It's a little different, but I'm glad I got to try it, the new Vevor camp stove. So if you like content like this, make sure you click like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.